Pasta with prawns, always a delight to cook and eat, but it always tastes better when you've got an Adam D'Sylva by your side. I love your version.
Thank you, Justine. Well, I'm doing a spaghettini. Spaghettini is my favourite pasta to cook at the moment.
Yes.
It's nice and delicate, but we're doing it with zucchini and we're doing it with prawns. And the secret to this sauce is the zucchini,
Yes.
the garlic, the chilli, some white wine, some herbs, some thyme and parsley there, and some beautiful prawns. So get you to grate that garlic, and I love using a microplane. That's my new thing now. I've got the zucchini here, using the end here as a little handle. I'm just going to grate it.
I can see that you've got 3 cloves of garlic here, so a good hit of garlic. And I do like this classic way with lots of really good quality, you know, Aussie extra virgin olive oil because it's the base of the sauce, right?
Correct, it is. The great thing about Australian olive oil, it's not aromatic like those ones from Europe. So you've got the garlic there, got the chilli. I love bird's eye chilies, but they also can vary in heat. Sometimes the longer ones are actually hotter.
Oh, really?
So chilli, garlic, let's go into the fry pan.
Let's go for it.
And we're going to work quickly because it's really hot. Give it a nice little stir like that. And then we're going to grab the white wine.
Yes.
And what we're going to do now, the white wine, go.
Go for it, yeah.
Go for it. Just be careful, it might spit up at you. But when you're adding liquid to the oil with the garlic and chilli, and that's going to stop the garlic from burning.
Yes.
You don't have to add wine, but I think just wine just gives that little depth of flavour.
Yeah, I agree. And because you've grated the zucchini, it doesn't take long to cook, does it?
Not at all. So we're going to steal some pasta water.
Okay.
Because we're also going to get our pasta going as well.
Yes.
At the same time. So a generous amount of salt.
And so how much... Whoa, that's a lot of salt,
And it needs to taste like the ocean. It's like when you go swimming and you get dunked by a wave and it goes down your mouth. That's what it needs to taste like.
Jeez, it's stinging my eyes from here. All right, how much pasta do you want? I would say for one person this much.
Well, that's for you, apparently. So a good measure, a good rule of thumb is about that much, as you can see, per person.
Okay.
So now into some rapid boiling water, very heavily salted, like my ocean water, I call it.
It's very salty.
And now that I'm using the salted water, I haven't added any salt to this sauce yet.
Right.
I'm just going to use the salt from the pasta water.
Yes.
And then once it gets starchier, we're going to keep on adding some pasta water.
Yes, okay,
And that's going to create a nice emulsification, and that is the key to oil-based pastas. This is going to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until the zucchini starts to disintegrate and creates a beautiful sauce.
Lovely.
So now the sauce, the zucchini's cooked down. Look at it, it's beautiful, all this nice and mushy there. Parsley, please. Then we've got our beautiful prawns. You can use prawn cutlets, you can use calamari. Now the pasta is cooked 3/4 of the way. Just
This goes in first?
Go, let's go.
Let's do it.
Bring it all together, just give it a little toss. Pasta in as well.
Yeah.
See, it's still got some life in it. It's 3/4 cooked because I like to undercook the pasta because I want that pasta now to absorb all those beautiful saucy flavours here. And now you can see they're starting to emulsify there with the oil and the water.
Yep.
And all the juice now from the prawns is now going to go into that sauce.
And those prawns were so beautiful. We've just peeled them and deveined them, and we've left them whole with the tail on because, as you can see, they're just changing colour in that really, really hot pan and cooking so quickly.
Now it's time for the best part. Make it nice and look pretty. I said we'll just put all that sauce there. It's all come. The prawns just nicely cooked there.
Very nice.
A couple on the top there for presentation.
That's a Adam D'Sylva masterpiece right there.
You're not wrong. Let's have a taste.
All right. Just want to check how perfectly cooked it is. That is outstanding. Perfectly seasoned.
I'm speechless.
Nothing else to say?